Hello everybody, welcome back, and today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show how you can leave a Life360 circle right there in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and start our video. For that purpose, let's go ahead open our Life360 app. Once your Life360 app is open, you will be able to this kind of interface, right? So if you would like to leave a particular circle in your mobile phone in your Life360, what you can do is simply go ahead up on the settings like given on your top left corner. This will open this kind of interface, including all of the menu options. Go ahead, tap on the circle management will given over here. For that purpose, let's go ahead. You will be able to find this kind of interface, including leave circle option. If you tap on that circle, then you will have this option, a reconfirmation regarding leaving your circle. Tap on this yes option and you're good to go. You will be able to leave your particular circle from your Life360. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. I would not like to leave my circle because I would like to keep it, so I only showed you the way. If you got more concerns regarding any of the questions over here, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be make sure to see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much.